Yo, what's up everyone? Namaste to all the Indian viewers here. This is your African boy, myself Gabs and today I'm going to react to one of the suggested video between Sadhguru and Zakir Naik, guys, telling us the difference of God's branding, guys. We are going to listen to both of these greatest teachers of all time, guys, and for sure at the end I will give my own point of view according to the video only, guys. And don't forget, if it is your first time here, kindly show some love. This is my new reaction channel. In case you want to watch my vlog also in India, you can check Gabs TV without wasting time. Let's go.
Because if you only believe in God,
Okay.
there are various explanations of God.
Yeah.
Explanation given by Jew is different. Explanation by Christian is different.
Yes, sure.
Explanation by Hindu is different.
True.
The explanation given by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last and final revelation, and he has been prophesied in all the scriptures. He's been prophesied in the scriptures of the Jews. He's been prophesied in the scriptures of the Christian. He's been prophesied in the scriptures of the Hindus, and all these scriptures say that the last and final messenger to come is Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So by believing in Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, you are believing in all the other religions also, that the last and final messenger is Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
So can I conclude that if I become a Muslim, I am also a Christian.
Not you are a Christian, you believe in Jesus Christ.
You believe about the other.
Because Jesus Christ never
other
teach Christianity, sister. Jesus Christ himself did not call himself a Christian. Do you know that?
Yeah, I know.
So why should you call? So if you become a Muslim, you believe in all the messengers, yes.
That's true.
And you believe in one true God, and you submit your will to God if you become a Muslim.
Okay.
And you have to respect all the messengers. Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad, peace be upon them all.
Okay.
So would you like to become a Muslim?
Oh, someone is trying
Not
to
yet.
become a Muslim.
Gautama was sitting in a
Okay, let's
large
listen from
congregation of
Sadhguru.
people one morning. A man arrived and stood there in the shadows. This man is a great devotee. He is a devotee of Rama. You heard of Rama? Rama is one of the most popular deities in India. If you do not already know this,
Rama.
in India we have
Rama.
36 million gods and goddesses. It's a very rich country. He is a great devotee of Rama. The devotees in India, not now and not everybody, but those who take this seriously, they will not utter any other word than the name of God that they believe in. So if they want you to come, they'll say Ram Ram. If they want you to go, Ram Ram. If they want something, Ram Ram.
Ram, Ram.
No other word but Ram.
Only Ram.
The clothes are all printed Ram Ram, they utter only Ram Ram, they live Ram Ram.
These are the believers of Ram.
They devoted their whole life to God. You are smart, you are not like that. You kept God like insurance. Just in case something goes wrong, I have also paid my premium. Everything that you need to do, you do it yourself. You kept God like insurance. You're smart. But this man invested his whole life in God, total. Age is passing away, little doubt has come. So little doubt, he knows there is God, just a little doubt. Now there is an enlightened being here, he wants to confirm. But after being a well-known devotee for a long time, because he did not just go to the temple, he built many temples. At this stage in his life, how to ask whether there is God or not now? So he came early morning, stood in the shadows there and asked this inevitable question, is there God? Gautama looked at the man and gave a clear, emphatic no. Here this large congregation of disciples, this has always been a struggle in their mind, is there God or no God, is there God or no God?
Okay,
Oof,
probably.
one big relief. Whenever they ask such a question to Gautama, he just becomes silent, he doesn't say anything. For the first time he gave a clear answer, no God. Joy spread across the congregation. Just the struggle, is there God or no God, is over. The enlightened one has declared there is no God. The message spread across the town. Through the day, celebrations happened because just imagine the freedom of it. No God means nobody sitting up there keeping accounts of what you did and what you did not do to punish you, burn you in hell or do this or that. Life is completely yours. So through the day, celebrations happened. Everybody is in great joy. The evening, once again the congregation is sitting, another man came. He also standing in the shadows. This man is a Charvaka. Charvaka means, in India, there are groups of people who are known as Charvakas. These Charvakas are out and out materialists. They don't believe anything other than what they can see. So this is an expert Charvaka. Whatever kind of believer you are, if you talk to him for 10 minutes, he'll prove to you no God. For thousands of people, he's proved no God, no God, no God. Age is passing, little doubt has come. Suppose there is God. Now there's an enlightened being here, he wants to confirm. So he appeared there in the evening. And he asked the same inevitable question, is there God? Gautama looked at the man and said, yes. Once again turmoil started. Morning he said, no God, they were all really happy. In the evening he says, there is God.
That is problem now.
So what's the game Gautama is trying to play?
Gautam. What is it, Gautam? Don't confuse
See, if you believe there is God, or if you believe there is no God, you're in the same boat. You believe something that you do not know. I believe this, you believe that, doesn't make any difference. You can believe whatever you want. Yes? Everybody can believe whatever they want. It need not have anything to do with reality as such. If you say, I do not know, the longing to know will arise within you. If the longing arises, the seeking arises. If the seeking arises, the possibility of knowing exists.
Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening and for watching, guys. It was nice to hear from both of them. So let me start from Mr. Zakir, the first person who spoke, guys. So according to what he said and what I can say also, or what I learned from what he said, that if you believe that before believing in Muhammad, just know that we know that after God there is so many saints, messengers, as he said. Messengers can be people who are sent by God, or the other greatest saint from different religions. You can say that, like for example, Jesus, Muhammad, Moses. In Hindu also, I experienced that they call Sai Baba. I visit one of the temple they call Sai Baba temple. As an African, I have no any information about that. So I asked my friend about that. They told me Sai Baba is a human god. So meaning that it's a saint. It's someone who someone like Moses or like Muhammad or like Jesus Christ, who has been prophesizing the word of any other religious or God, or someone who is spiritually knows about the God, if I'm not wrong, guys. So Zakir, he said that if you believe that Muhammad is a prophet, and has been sent by the God or by Lord. So you should also believe in other saints like Jesus Christ. Maybe also you can believe on Sai Baba, like whatever the other religions and other saints they can be. You should also believe in them, because they at the end they are all, because there is one God. He's saying there is one God. So you know, all those messengers, for sure they are going to be under the same God. So if you're believing in Muhammad, you have to believe in Jesus Christ. You believe in other prophet and saint. So but the girl was little confused, that because if I believe about Muhammad teaches about this Islam. If I believe Jesus Christ teaches about the Christianity. So it's a totally different religion. So what she was like, what does it mean? But it means just believing that there is, I can say like Dr. Zakir is trying to say there is only one God. Conclusion from what he said, he is trying to conclude that there is only one God. But coming to Sadhguru, guys, what I can say or what I understood, guys, is trying to say that either you believe or not is gonna be the same thing, because at the end you will find out that like honestly, some people, they don't believe in God. They don't believe in whatever God you call, either Jesus, Muhammad. I'm sorry to say that they don't believe in any certain thing like that. Like they themselves, they call, they are non-religious. Like they don't believe in that. And some people who had the experience or grew, some people who grew in any other religious family or society, or experienced any kind of miracle, you can say miracle, like for example something like life-changing, maybe someone got healed through other religious, traditional or ritual. So this is how this thing is going, guys. Like people, most of the people nowadays, they believe Sadhguru is trying to say that people mostly they believe like through their experience, like at the end there is nothing. It's all about the experience, the fact, the life you will go through. Then he can say, yeah, like there is this how the belief will come. Like you can believe whatever you want. You can believe whatever you want. Like it depends on what you are going to experience through. Hope I'm making sense, right? You believe on whatever you want as long as you experience something regarding that. So that is it. This is what I can say, guys. And in case you have or you got it in another way, or maybe I misunderstood it, drop your comment, let me hear. I am doing this video for knowledge purpose, and I am also a big fan of Zakir and Sadhguru, guys. I love listening to them. Sometimes I feel nourished and I feel like more inspired just by listening to them. I feel more open-minded, guys. Like they are big teachers of all time, guys. I am here just to listen to them and share my own point of view. Thank you so much. Also share your point of view, and don't forget, guys, show some love, subscribe to our new reaction channel, watch our vlogs in Gabs TV. Love you all.